Hello friends. Now here in this video I will discuss about the top view of this following component. Okay, so we have already done the sectional view, sectional front view we have already done. So I have added this line as well. This line will be there in this sectional front view. Now what is in the top view? You can see. So this is the component. So you can see there are three circles, dia 20, dia 30 and dia 50 at the middle. You can see, and two cylindrical holes are there in the both sides, that is dia 12. Okay, these are two holes, diameter 12. Okay, and then radius 15 is outside. Okay, now I will be drawing the top view of this first I will find out the center. Okay, center by using the center. I will be extending this uh, chain line from the top front view into the top. Yes, so this will be chain line. I am extending. Okay, and now I will be finding out the center of say that yes, it is 50 mm. 50 mm means circle, one of the biggest circle is 50 mm, so it will be 25 from here, you can see. So you can take any suitable distance from the xy, say 10 mm, and then 25 mm. Yes, yes. So this is now I will be taking this as center. Yes, now again I am going to draw the center line, horizontal center line. Okay, both sides. Okay, now I'll be drawing three circles. One is dia 20, other is dia 30, and the third one is dia 50. So this is dia 20. I'm going to draw. Okay, and the second one is dia 30. I'm measuring 15 mm. 15 mm. So this will be dia 30. Okay, and the next one is dia 50, means radius 25. Okay, and this is the outer circle. Okay, now these are the three circles, dia 20, 30 and 50. Now what is next? Now you can find out here. So this distance of this center is 35 from this center of this component, 35 both sides. Now I will be drawing the center line first, both sides 35 mm each apart, and then I will be drawing the radius, outside radius. Yes. So here it is 35 mm both sides. I will be just extending it from this front view like here. So this is 35 mm. Yes, and it is on the other side as well. I am just extending it from the front view, the same center line. Yes. Now there are two circles of diameter 12 and one radius is 15. Okay, one radius is 15. So I'll be measuring 15 mm radius first. So this is 15. Okay. So I'll be drawing that radius. Okay, both sides. Okay, up to the center line. Okay, yes. Now there are I'll be extending this center line. Okay. Yes. Now this is to be joined tangentially. Here you can see in this component it is being joined tangentially. So I'll be drawing two tangents. Here you can see. Okay, both sides. Okay, and on the upper side as well. Now after this there will be two more circles left. Okay, two more circles are left. That is two holes of diameter 12. Here you can see. So there are two holes on the both sides. That is diameter 12. It is given. Okay, now I'll be drawing these two circles. Diameter 12 means radius 6. I'm measuring radius 6 here. Okay, and I'll be drawing two circles. Both sides. Okay, so one circle on this side and other on the right side. Yes, so now this is complete. Yes, this is the complete top view. Now I'll be doing the dimensioning now. Yes, one more thing is left. Here you can see this is a cylindrical hole here in this. Yes, so it will be hidden. It will be shown hidden. So I'll be drawing hidden line. Yes, so it will be shown hidden 6 mm. It is 6 mm. So I'll be measuring 3 mm both sides. 3 mm both sides of this center line. 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. So it will be throughout up to this only, up to this point only. So it will be a dash line up to this point. Yes, now it is complete. Yes, now it is complete. You can also write this is the top view and this is sectional front view. Yes, and XY is there, sectional front view and top view. I hope you understood it. Thank you very much.